right, so we got in a Maytag Bravos with a 10-year warranty. Yeah, you can hear that one. Maytag commercial, 10-year warranty. Stripped basket hub. All right, we got to get the agitator out, so pop the cap and pull the 7/16. This is pretty much the hardest part of the whole job. So I'm gonna go ahead and soak this thing real quick. I usually put a little PB blaster in there or WD-40, but whatever, something to get in there to lube it up. All right, what y'all think we could save this old direct drive? Break out the welder? All right, I guess we might as well get the top up. All right, get the cap off. Come on. I like to try and run the screw in and out, just don't strip it, but it helps to push the lube in there. Oh, I don't think my hooks are gonna get it. It's airbag time. So this one seems very tight in there and the hooks did not get it. So I'll use them to pry up on the agitator down there and put the airbags under and try and airbag and lift it up. But even then, it might not work. All right, make sure to leave your screw in. Don't want to get hit in the face with a wash plate. So I try and pump them evenly as best I can to put even pressure on it, but it's kind of hard to do because they're all 3 different sizes. I bought these off of Amazon. It was like real cheap for the set of 3. I think they're used for doors when you're trying to open the doors with a jimmy or a lock. And then I'll run that bolt in and out. Worst part of the whole thing, getting this wash plate out. So I guess what I'll do is I'll let the air out of the bags, shift them to a different spot, and give it a little rappy tap. And here we go, letting the air out, and I'll pry up on it and shift them and then pump it back up and do it again. Okay, that's all I got. I'm gonna break it. So here we go again, pumping it back up to put pressure on it. And then I'll give it a little rappy tap, like try and bend it a little bit with the hammer. Hit it a little bit and see if it'll budge. Sometimes I have to break them or cut them out, which I don't want to do because they're like $100. All right, hot water time. And we'll try and run the bolt in a few more times, in and out, in and out. All right, try letting the air back out. All right. don't work, we might have to get the hammer out. Oh, got it. That's why you leave the screw in. Didn't give up. All right. Almost there. Okay, y'all, like I said, that's the worst part of the whole job. Sorry that took forever, but it finally broke loose. Now we just got to get those 6 bolts, the 6 Phillipses out of the hub, and we'll get on to changing the gear case. The way this unit is working out, this thing must have been sitting up for a while because everything is seized to the shaft. I've never had one fight me like this. Safety first. It's just gonna be one of those days. It's just gonna be it. It's gonna be one of those. Cobalt. Goodness gracious. 5/16. Now there's 2 little green Phillipses to get the actuator down, and it just unplugs. Really simple. So here I'm just taking the nut off of the center pulley there after getting that actuator off, and then the pulley comes down and I'll pull the splutch, capacitor, and motor. And as you can see, the splutch starts to fight me too. Everything is stuck. Plug. Motor gone. Come on. Come on. Okay. Why are you not turning? Oh, there we go. Okay, finally. All right, so splutch, actuator, which looks like it's halfway through a shift, capacitor, and motor. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4 10 millimeters. Dad bod break time and sledge. All right, it's bottoming out down there. Tub's still not coming out, so we'll use the jack. So I have this old bottle jack I've used for years, and this board is cut to 21 or 22 inches, I can't remember. But and I made this little bit that fits into my impact to push it up. Jack in 21, 22 inch board. There we go. Whew. she's out. Look at all this change. I like to try and clear all the change out of these weep holes, because if it's clogged, it'll hold that water in there and put more stress on that plastic basket hub and cause problems. So I like to try and get them as clear as I can. Sadly, I don't think it's enough to even buy a penny stock. All right, and there she is. There she is in all of its chunky glory. Look at that shaft. Destroyed. I guess technically you could drill out these rivets and put some bearings in there, but I ain't doing that. I'm not even sure that you can get the seals separate. That is what it's supposed to look like. Not that. All right, man. It is getting late, but this is like 30 shares of Tesla. So we gotta get it done. All right, well, you just gotta line up the 4 10mm holes there so you can get the screws in. Sometimes I'll put some soap on the seal to help slide it in there. It helps, and then zip it up in. I go in a crisscross pattern to help suck it in evenly. Okay, go ahead and twist the capacitor on, click, click. Go ahead and put the actuator on. Spring. Let's see. This don't look good. It's halfway through the shift. That's not good. Green Phillips. Splutch, actuator, capacitor, pulley, motor. Motor's going in pretty smoothly. Comes with a new zip. All right. And belt. Cover. Okay. All right, so now that everything's done under the bottom, we just slap the drum in, and then we'll put the new hub in. And you want to zip the 6 Phillips screws in a crisscross pattern to try and make sure that the tub sucks up to it evenly. And don't forget to put the little U-clip in. That would not be good because you have to get the agitator back out. And we'll put that wash plate down, screw it in, put the tub top cap on, and we're pretty much almost in business. I'll probably go ahead and run a recalibrate just for the heck of it, and then we'll run it. We'll be ready to go. Let's do it. All right, let's go ahead and recalibrate, see what it does. Left, right, 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 left, right. We're in the flash mode. That's codes, auto test, manual test, recalibrate. Now it's gonna do its stupid stuff. All right, we'll go ahead and make sure there's no codes in there too. Left, right, 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 left, right, flash mode, codes. Let's just go ahead and clear it. And then we'll start it. Look at this shaft on this thing. It's terrible. Whew. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. We will make that 1,000 eventually. And all y'all's likes and comments, they are much appreciated. Thank you. I don't know if you can see through that dirty lid, but we're washing. Of course we're short-handed and we got all this stuff to check. 2 refrigerators, dryer, Samsung, LG, Samsung, freezer, dryer, always on a Monday. But that's how you put a gear case into a Whirlpool Maytag Bravos. Sorry, it's been a long day. And that one fought me hard. Like I said, the wash plate coming out is the worst thing about the whole job. But if that helped any, hit that like, subscribe to the channel. On our way to 800. Have a great day. LA Appliance Guy out. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.